from the Department of Computer Engineering, ASSMS's Institute of Information Technology, Pune. I'm presenting a topic of algorithm analysis to you. So, why we should analyze the algorithms? When we solve any problem, we use algorithms to solve it. But we should predict the resources that the algorithm requires so that we can use the resources efficiently. Like the resources can be CPU consumption, RAM, communication bandwidth consumption, likewise. And we should also analyze the running time of an algorithm, which is also known as algorithm complexity, which is the total number of operations executed by that algorithm. Now, algorithm complexity is having two factors, internal as well as external factors. Internal factors are space complexity and time complexity. Space complexity is space or memory required for solving the problem using that algorithm. Time complexity is how much time that algorithm takes. External factors are processor quality, CPU speed, which is like depend how our machine is and we are how we are running that algorithm on our machine. So that are external factors. So come to time complexity. So what time complexity is? It is signifies the total time required by the program to run to completion, and it is measured by its rate of growth relative to the standard function. Now, there are three cases of time complexity. One is worst case, average case, and base case. Worst case, you can say that an upper bound on the running time for an any input of given size. So you can say that is the maximum time required for solving the problem. Average case, it assume all inputs of a given size are equally likely. That means you can say it requires average time, and base case is the lower bound or the minimum time required for solving that problem. Come to an example of this of time complexity. Suppose we are doing sequential search for a list of size n. Then worst case is n comparisons. That means suppose an array is there having 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers, and we are searching for number 4. So worst case is we are comparing our key or the search element is 4. So we are comparing it with 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So at fourth position you found that element 4. So it is the worst case. So your element is at the last. Base case is suppose my array is 4, 3, 2, 1 and I'm searching for 4. So it requires only one comparison. Average case is suppose our number 4 is in between. Suppose 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. So 4 is in between. So it requires n by 2 or half the number of comparisons. So this algorithm runs in linear time, or you can say linear number of operations are there. Here is a table of classification of time complexity. We'll study that in detail for in later videos. So here it is, you can have either constant time complexity, logarithmic, linear logarithmic, quadratic, cubic, exponential, factorial. So these are, you can see in increasing order, constant, then log n is generally half, n is linear, n log n, n square, n cube, 2 raised to n, and n factorial. We'll study one by one. Here examples also are given, you can check it out. Okay. So this is all about the basics of algorithmic analysis that is related to time complexity. Thank you.